The class is called Manufacturing Processes, and so basically the course is broken down into 3 projects, once each week.
One is the 3D printing project where they're working with our 3D printers. We have a CNC project where they're actually using computer-controlled machines to cut up a mold, and they use that mold then to inject plastic parts. And then lastly, a welding project where they're making an organization device using welding techniques and fusing metal together. A lot of students will go into design jobs or possibly manufacturing jobs, and it's always good to give a basic foundational knowledge of how things are made. So this class is really about how things are made and how can we design better so they can be manufactured in a more economical or faster manner.
It's really fun. A lot of my friends always ask me like, oh, what are you doing? And I say the name of my class and they're like, huh? And I'm like, no, but like listen. And it's super nice to be hands-on. I'm a very visual learner. I like to be doing things, so I really enjoy it. I'm having a blast.
Teaching this class on the block plan is really great because we have, all day to work in the shop, so we don't have to rush in here and get things done in an hour and pick everything up. Students can leave projects out. They can work extended periods of time, 3 or 4 hours a day on their projects, and they're gaining that hands-on skill that you're not going to get many other places.
It's preparing me for the real world where I'm gonna have many tasks that I'm gonna have to do all at once and everything. And if you're not prepared for that, then it's gonna be a very big struggle. But here, only having 18 days to complete a semester's long class, it's definitely just teaching me how to do time management.